where she gathered the community. And she claims right now she has got 101 people who accepted to give the land for sugarcane plantation. My dear pressmen, when we were there on the ground yesterday but one, we asked Honorable Amongi to show us the people who accepted, to show us the list of the 101 people who accepted to give the land. Surprisingly, no one from that gathering showed up. Those whose names were there, they were saying their names were written without their consent. So this is a clear indication that there are some crook, some con man, con honorable minister, by submitting to her fake list, claiming that those are the people who accepted to give their land. And from that meeting, we advised her, we told her clearly that honorable minister, now you have seen that people did not give their land. No one claims that he has given the land. We advise her never to waste her time to go and survey the land. And we told her the needs of the community, that if we are to give our land to investor, we shall register the land and get the land title in the name of the community. And then the community will lease the land to any investor that will come. We requested her never to go on with yesterday's activities. We told her that going on, insisting to go on without talking to the community, without preparing our people, it may end up very badly. But she told us clearly, she said as Minister for Land, she is not interested in working with the leaders. She has her own lineup. Therefore, she was going ahead with our planned survey of Amoro land. And then we told her, we wish you the best, you can move on. Yesterday, surprisingly, when we decided to go there and witness the occasion, on reaching our way at place called May 1, we were blocked. Our blockage was commanded by the RPC, Mr. Otto himself. He blocked us with 2 police vehicles and he told us to come back. When I asked the RDC said he doesn't want to see the members of parliament going to that place. And the RDC was saying he is surprised that Honorable Odonga and Honorable Lucy were already there in that place.
But how did we pass?
Yes. And the man was wondering how Odonga and Honorable Lucy passed, built their security, and they were with the community in corridor. So they were so surprised. So if you look at the kind of force they went with yesterday, this one makes us confirm that what Honorable Amongi told Ugandans, that this time you'll use force to acquire land for Madivani in Amoro, our statement is very true. Therefore, it has already awakened up we, the community of Acholi, we, the landowners, we are now fully alert, and we are going to monitor the situation seriously. And yesterday when she went with all those kind of forces, now as I speak, we have more than 200 UPDF in that place. The police officers are more than 100, and they carried all kind of guns. They are just there based in the bush. And there are other soldiers that cross the Nile from the side of West Nile. Right now they have crossed, they are settled around the water bank. So we do not know their intention. You know, in Kasese, it started like that. Right now our people are covered up. Everywhere we have soldiers. People are living under fear. People do not know what they're supposed to do right now. And as I speak now, people are calling us. They are being intimidated. They are being scared. And some of them now are not, they are not going on with their normal activities. So we do not know why Honorable Amongi Betty decided to use that excessive force. If you have communicated, you have negotiated with the community, why do you go with soldiers? Why do you go with guns? If you know that you are being sincere, you are being transparent, and you are negotiating with the landowners, why do you carry all those guns? Therefore, the intention of Honorable Beta Mongi is quite different. We do not know her intention, but to me, I think she wanted to show the president that she can deliver. You know, she has just been appointed, the minister. The marriage between UPC and NRM, she wanted to prove that a newly married lady can serve better. She wanted to show the nation that them, her being new in UPC, just join NRM, she can perform to the expectation of the president. But that is very cheap popularity, and that is being fake. So we really advise her to be focused, to leave our people alone. And right now, as I speak, after this press conference, all the members of parliament from Acholi who are here, we are proceeding to the venue. I am happy that other members of parliament are coming to join us. And my colleague will tell you, other MPs from Lango are willing to come and join us. So from today onwards, for the next 1 month, we shall be on the ground throughout until our land is safe. The investor who want to invest in our land shall come and engage the landowner in a transparent way, then we give the land. I thank you so much. Let me invite our members to give their view.
Thank you. I just have two things. Of course, I'm talking as an accused. Yesterday, the police abducted me from the venue of the riots. They took me to a military camp where I was held by the UPDF in Kololo. I found over 20 youth locked in a container at that station. They later dragged me to Gulu, CPS, in a full convoy of about 4 vehicles, as if they have arrested Joseph Kwan. Then from Gulu CPS at 8 p.m. again, they took me back to Nuaya. And from there, they charged me for inciting violence and erecting an illegal roadblock. And I'm very happy. I wish they could even charge me for treason. Actually, if they want, they can even shoot and kill me. When I left Kampala, we prepared for all scenarios. So, they want to intimidate us. I want to say, yesterday was victory for the Acholis. They did not put any single marked stone. It was victory for Acholi. So day one, that is victory for us. So if they think they can intimidate us by charging us, by arresting us, for us, we don't mind. What we are doing is just protecting the ordinary land rights of our people. Today we are going back. We know there may be roadblocks. We know they have plans even to shoot us with live bullets, claiming it is a mistake. We are fully aware. We have Acholi officers briefing us on all their plans. But I want to assure Acholi and the whole world, even if they plan mark stones forcefully, we shall go and remove it. So they are just doing a ceremony. They will plant it today. We shall go there and remove those mark stones. I saw Beta Mongen making allegations in the newspaper today, in the morning, that I wanted to be paid 1.5 billion shillings to register a trust for the Amongi people. So when I miss the deal now, I am inciting people to refuse. First of all, registering a trust is 700,000 shillings. That's what I charge in my law firm. So her allegations are baseless and fake. But now that she has unrolled her sleeves on me, let me also unroll a few little sleeves. And we go for it. Betty Amongen does not deserve to be in that ministry. And we are appealing to all the Langi. They must start collecting signatures for